Covering over 834 square miles, the Los Angeles River is a historical landmark that provides flood control and utilization of water. What many people aren't aware of is that it's home to many organisms that have been inhabiting it since its construction in 1960. Frogtown is a section of the river that is highly populated with wildlife, although it is especially polluted. The LA River hosts vegetation which can hold lots of nutrients such as seeds and insects. Lots of the birds, such as ducks, geese, sandpipers, and herons, see the river as a place of food abundance. The waterway is ideal for the birds to build their nests or rest. The willow trees work hand in hand with the birds in the LA River because it helps them stay away and hide from predators while allowing them to be still and close to the water. The trees have also created a more habitable river landscape. They slow down the water in the river and remove excess nutrients and pollutants. People are trying to knock out the vegetation, which will completely change the ecosystem that animals and plants have made for themselves. The river offers different habitats for birds depending on if they work better in open, still water or fast, flowing water. Geese like the slower water occurrence, which is usually the state of the water. The river offers lots of advantages to geese. Depending on the bird, they'll live in different parts of the river but can migrate during different conditions. The variations of different water streams and habitats made along the river is what calls the birds in. The river is connected to nearly 2,000 storm drains, which carry the industrial runoff and debris. Runoff can lead to the river containing ammonia, metals, coliform, pesticides, and volatile organics, which can be heavily harmful to wildlife. Illegal dumping and littering attribute to most of the trash contaminating the river, lots ending up in the Pacific Ocean. Other recreational activities such as river rafting causes disturbances to the ecosystem and contribute to habitat decay. An obvious solution to the problem of river pollution is going down and picking up trash in the river. This task is easier said than done, but with organizations like FOLAR organizing annual cleanups, the task can seem less daunting. Over 1,300 volunteers can join across different sites spreading across 51 miles of the LA River, with groups cleaning up the upper, middle, and lower parts of the river. In 2022 alone, 50,000 pounds of trash was removed from the LA River, with the restoration and removal of invasive species across a total of 95 acres of land. Actions and organizations like these are funded through donations, but are primarily nonprofit and merely for the benefit and health of our environment. It is important not only to acknowledge all kinds of ecosystems, including the ones within our urban environments, but also to protect and support them in whatever ways we can.